Welcome to day 16. Experiencing gratitude is one of the most effective ways of getting in touch with your soul. When you feel gratitude, your ego steps out of the way, enabling you to enjoy greater love, compassion, and understanding. Genuine gratitude is also one of the most powerful ways to invite more goodness into our lives. It's as if you are saying to the universe, please bring me more of this. Gratitude is independent of any situation, circumstance, person, or experience. When you connect with this true inner joy, you feel bliss for no reason. Simply being alive to gaze at the stars and appreciating the miracle of life itself brings you happiness. To feel gratitude, consider all the wonderful gifts you enjoy in your life. Nurturing, loving relationships, connections you have with very special beings, the miracle of your body and fertile mind, and material comforts. Appreciating your life in this manner sweeps away any thought of lack or limitation and reminds you of the positive things that surround you. You realize that everything you experience is a gift. As you move into that place of gratitude, notice the warmth, love, compassion, and sense of connection that enters your heart. Find peace in knowing that there is a divine plan moving you forward on your evolutionary path. Realize the seed of goodness in every situation and embrace each moment of your life as an opportunity to evolve into a more loving and thankful being. Think of the many things in your life that you appreciate. Taking stock of your life's many gifts and expressing gratitude will clear the way for even greater abundance to flow in your life. By giving thanks for all that you have and committing to living your life in deep appreciation, abundance is certain to flow to you. That is the attractive power of gratitude. As we prepare for today's meditation, bring your attention to your heart and our centering thought. Today, I remember to be grateful. Today, I remember to be grateful. Now let's begin. Please find a comfortable position, placing your hands lightly in your lap, palms upward, and closing your eyes. In this moment, go within, to that place of inner quiet where we experience our connection to our higher self. Let go of all thoughts and begin to observe the inflow and outflow of your breath. With each inhalation and exhalation, allow yourself to become more relaxed, more comfortable, more at peace. Keeping your attention in your heart, gently introduce the mantra, repeating it mentally and allowing it to flow with effortless ease. Om Vardhanam Namah. Om Vardhanam Namah. I nourish the universe, and the universe nourishes me. Om Vardhanam Namah. Whenever you find yourself distracted by thoughts, sensations in your body, or noises in the environment, simply return your attention to mentally repeating the mantra. Om Vardhanam Namah. Om Vardhanam Namah. Please continue. I'll mind the time, and at the end you'll hear me ring a soft bell to indicate it's time to release the mantra. Om Vardhanam Namah. Om Vardhanam Namah. It's time to release the mantra. please bring your awareness back into your body. Take a moment to rest, inhaling and exhaling slowly and deeply. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. As you continue with your day, carry this deep sense of gratitude with you, reminding yourself of our centering thought for today. Today, I remember to be grateful. Today, I remember to be grateful. Today, I remember to be grateful. Namaste.
ความรัก